Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today Shaurya is going to explain the code how to make Among Us in Scratch part 1.
Yeah, and first we need to go to the costumes. We should click on the delete button.
Shaurya,
Delete button.
should I also delete everything here?
Yes, like this only. That delete.
Okay.
Yeah, that's right. That's absolutely right. Go to
And,
costumes. Oh,
okay, now let us get a sprite Among Us 1 from
yeah.
Google.
That also a GIF.
Yeah. MAT improvement or GIF. GIF.
Yeah.
So let
Let's
us
see. Let us do go to walking.
so now we have this good. So
Not this socket. Socket, not this. Can you change it to red? This.
and but Shaurya, we don't have it currently. The only one we have is
Go to
green.
emoji. I know one. Can you just type red pixel?
Okay.
Among Us, the red pixel.
Yeah. So is this
Go to the pixel one. Yes, this one is the correct one. But
but
it
it's
should
not
move.
moving.
But it should be moving.
Is this the one?
Yeah, this is the one. Well done,
Let
Saket.
us download. Oh sorry, I need to re-download because I
Oh, no problem, Saket.
we can save this.
As you know, the Among Us is a worldwide game, and everybody must be watching. Saket, click on upload sprite and upload it. Jiffy one. Info. Let us just info
Yeah.
something. Yeah, do the size. Saket, do the
Yeah.
size to 30. Size to 30.
Okay.
Change it size to 30.
30.
Yeah. And
1 second, Shaurya.
yeah, no
Yeah, we
problem.
have it on
Yeah,
30.
that's good. That's good. That's good. Absolutely right. Now just click go to when clicked.
When clicked, okay.
Go to forever.
Whatever. Thank you. Now,
Now above forever go to set size to 30.
okay. Set size to 30.
Here.
Okay.
And now do go to 00.
Okay. Go to.
Not above, not above. In forever. In forever.
Okay. You mean here?
No, inside forever. It should be up. Yeah. Now do if. Now do if then else. If then else. You can also do if then. If you but there is no need for this if then else. But making it kind of Among Us, we need if then else. So first, Saket, can you go to sensing?
Okay. Sensing.
Go to key
Key.
one
Key.
and key right arrow.
Key. Right arrow press.
Next costume.
Next costume. So we can see moving.
And but before next costume, I forgot to tell you that you have to also point in direction 90.
Okay. Point and direction 90. So we have it.
But it should be above next costume. Above next costume.
But
Point in
Shaurya,
directions. Point in directions.
but Shaurya,
Point in
it is
direction.
moving in two sides.
Yeah. And now add wait for 0.1 second in if.
Here.
Not in else. Not in else.
I didn't anything else, Shaurya.
Don't add it after next costume. Just wait.
Okay, after next costume means you mean here?
Yeah. Right. And now duplicate it.
Okay, let me.
Yes. Now add it again in this. In forever. Add it in forever.
Okay,
And do this to key left arrow.
left. Okay, left. So, what should I keep in the point and direction?
Minus 90.
Minus 90. Okay.
Yeah. And duplicate again. We need up and down also, right? So duplicate again.
Okay. Again. Up.
But just, yes, up. And one more should be down.
Okay.
Keep it down. And one keep it as down.
What? What did you say? Sorry.
Yes. One keep it as down and one should be up.
Okay.
And remove the pointing directions. Of up and down. Only of up and down. Delete the pointing directions. Only of up and down. And add it.
Okay, I have it now.
And here we are done.
But sorry, I have a doubt. When it
Yeah.
goes again, it turns into this side.
Then you have to go to costumes.
Costumes, okay.
You need only 12. Or else delete. You need only 12 and delete. Delete from last. Delete from last. Okay.
Okay.
Delete from 13. Or else. It should only be 12. Exact 12.
Okay, I have it.
Good. Delete 12 also.
Why?
You need delete 12. That is because again stop, then again stop. That can be right.
I deleted.
Yes. See, how is it?
Great shot, yeah.
Is it working nice, Sakib?
Yeah, it is
Go to
working
now.
in both sides.
Can you press up arrow? Let's just see.
But up arrow, it is not going up. What can I do?
Yes, Sakit, we are done with the part 1. Thank you for watching this video. And please like and subscribe our channel for more such amazing videos and ring the bell icon too.
Yeah, thank you guys. Bye
Bye. In the next video.